How's it going? Today I want to show you how to assemble this platform bed frame. Now this metal platform bed frame is unique because all you have to do is put a mattress on. You don't have to worry about any type of box spring. Best part about it is very simple to set up, but there are a few things you need to look out for. Starting with step one, we're going to assemble the actual headboard part. Now the headboard part has this wooden piece and then it has these two rails that are identical and you have a cross member here for support. It's going to take 3 of the A-bolts on the side. Super simple to set up. They have Allen keys if you don't have any drills or other tools. The next step, it's going to be very similar to this headboard. It's going to be the footer. The footer is going to be a little bit smaller and it also has 2 legs that get connected with bolts. Moving on to step 3, that's going to be stretching out your rails. Now these rails come folded, they're piece number 12. You'll just fold them out and then you get the bolts that have like the caps. So it's basically like a bolt that recesses into another one. You're going to sandwich them from both sides and make sure those are tightened in place. You repeat that process for the header and the footer. For the next step, this is going to be step number 4. It has one of the most critical spots in it. First, you want to grab pieces number 5, 6, and 5. The 5 is going to go at the header, the 6 is in the middle, and then the other 5 is going to go towards the footer. Then you're going to grab piece number 4. Now there are 2 pieces labeled number 4 and they have these notches that create like a V. That V is going to go through the bolt that goes in the center of piece number 6. You have piece number 11, that's going to be the stand in the middle, and you want to make sure that that all gets connected together with one A bolt going in between the 2 channels for piece number 4, and then you have your 2 smaller bolts that are going to go on either end. Lastly, you're just going to go ahead and put the piece number 10 on each end, and that's going to be connected with bolt A. After the entire frame is assembled, you just have to put the slats down. These slats slip in super easy. It's just channeled in place. You're going to go ahead and push them down to make sure they lock in place, and once they're in place, you are ready to go. You can easily just put a mattress on top. It has a great wooden look here at the top and the footer. This is perfect for spare bedrooms, main bedrooms. I like how it doesn't have much else to it. And then if you did need to pack this up and move, it would be very simple to do that because there's not a whole lot of pieces to it and there's not a whole lot of like long pieces because the rails actually fold together. This bed frame is ideal if you just want to have something that is solid, that looks nice, it's metal, you just place the mattress on it and you're good to go.